Actually.
Cardio na rin eh. Pero yun siguro, mas more on cardio. Kasi takbo na takbo eh sa eksena. So, para sa akin. So, ewan ko sa kanila.
Sa akin, basketball. Kasi it's physically demanding and yun nga, endurance. Kailangan mag-build ng endurance. Kasi sobrang hirap ng mga action scenes na ginagawa namin.
Bilang bunso, kailangan talaga. Yes. Who else would like to share yung mga go-to workout nila for this project? Yes,
I
Kai?
think along with the endurance training, because we also underwent a lot of endurance training with Sir Ben, Sir Fashion, Action 360. We also, I personally also did a lot of strength training kasi for a lot of the scenes that we shoot, normally naka-gear kami. So it really, naka-gear kami, yung mabibigat yung mga baril. So I wanted to also put focus on that for lengths of time we're able to hold up. So, yeah.
Yeah, that's true kasi mabigat talaga yung mga dinadala nyo, especially the military, right?
Nakita niyo namin sa trailer, ikaw din siya may binili ka!
Magaan yan. Isang kamay lang yun.
Grabe yun.
No, but it's true. Compound liftings, a lot of that will be perfect for the role. Galing. Anyone else want to answer that one? Specific workouts?
Aside from like martial arts and tactical training, which actually kailangan talaga namin yun for the characters. I think a lot of cardio, strength training, but during our off days, more than anything, we play basketball. Kasi it also builds camaraderie within the group, aside from the staff and the crew, you know, lahat kami nagba-basketball. So it builds a different rapport for the whole group, aside from just individual conditioning.
Miss Des, bakit hindi po natin i-livestream yun? Nagba-basketball po pala sila. Ang gagwapo naman ng mga nagba-basketball. Oo. Bakit gusto mo panoorin yun?
Footage yan, snippets lang.
Oo. As a fan, gusto ko panoorin. Ay, meron po. Pag day off. Oo. So, hindi part ng work. Oo. Now, speaking of basketball, Daniel Padilla, naka 7 Star Magic All-Star game. So, also, nagba-basketball na rin ba? What's your go-to workout, DJ?
Yeah, ako, I played a lot of golf para makatapos.
Sabi yung pick-up ko sa basketball.
Hindi alam mo
focus. And then, ganun din, yeah, Muay Thai and basketball. Yeah.
Muay Thai, basketball. Okay, thank you. May gusto pa po bang mag-add? Maris, parang may gusto kang i-add?
Aside from muscle building, I needed to gain more para ma-keep up sa mga gagawin.
Oh, sarap naman ng ganung problem. Kailangan mo mag-gain. Oh.
So, kumain lang ako.
Ay, ang saya.
Order lang ako ng order sa mga lock-in namin.
O, diba? Ang tanong ko, go to workout, hihilitan tayo ng kumain po ako.
Part ng training yan eh. Protein, yeah.
Pero din ako nag-extra effort. So, yun yung
Sana all. Yes, but you look terrific. Kita naman namin yung pinaghirapan mo, Marie.
Thank you.
Okay, now, let's go to our next question. Ito po, I think, tanong ng lahat. And this is for Dirk Lester and Miss Des. After seeing that trailer, na by the way, yun ang world premiere. First time din po mapanood ng cast yun. So, sabay-sabay natin napanood yun for the first time. So, ito po ang tanong. This is from Chad Rosete of Manila Feed. Sa bigat po ng casting plus bonggang location, gaano kalaki ang production at budget ng series na ito? And share with us your experience. Direct, this is for you. Directing Daniel, Richard, and Maris. Gaano kahirap for you? Grabe naman yung gaano kahirap. Pero ito muna tayo sa budget. Yes, gaano po kalaki?
We have enough, but di ba laki nung show? But with the help of everyone here, lahat sila talaga cooperative, team players, di ba? Hindi kami nahirapan. So, maximize namin yung taping hours namin, nagagawa namin yung dapat namin gawin because everybody is cooperative. Malaking bagay yun. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Professional. Siyempre, hindi naman natin masasagot yung actual figure. But Ms. Des, would you say, siyempre, you're the business unit head of Star Creatives. Would you say this is one of the series na may one of the biggest budgets po sa ating history? Kasi nakita natin yung trailer, grabe. Opo.
to do things. Kaya ganyan siya kalaki, pero okay naman yung budget.
Oh, wow.
So yung answer niya, okay lang yung budget.
Yes.
Sometimes there's times na kailangan mag-save din. Save on expenses. Alam natin yan.
Tinalinuhan po ng Star Creatives to. Kita nyo, di ba? Ang laki ng budget, pero tinalinuhan natin yan. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes.
Yeah.
Ako po, sa tagal ko na sa showbiz, ito yung pinakamalaking nagawa ko na project. Hindi talaga. Kasi, I mean, the locations, we shot in Nido, Italy, and grabe yung scenes and boats and yung mga sabugan and all effects. Sobrang laking, aside from the cast. So, sa akin personally, this is the biggest series na I've made.
We felt it nga po dun sa trailer. May payate pa bigla, mga ganon. Grabe talaga. Okay, Derek Lester, would you like to add to that?
When it comes to budget, I may say we are very fortunate with the support of ABS-CBN. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki, but it's enough na pinagkakasya. But the biggest part of it is we have the support of all the cast and the crew that we are very efficient. I think that's the key there, is very efficient. Meaning when the call time is 8 a.m., at 9 we are grinding already, and then sasagad kami until 9 we reach. We are very, very efficient with the help of and the cooperation of the crew. We wrap after 12 hours. We go home, we are in our hotel rooms after in 30 minutes time. That's something very different. And then, dahil yan sa professionalism ng buong crew at buong cast at lahat ng producers. And then one thing that is different, if you ask me kung gaano kahirap, actually, all of these guys made my job very easy because they're really the best in what they do.
Well said, Lester. Okay, we're going to our next question, which is kay Daniel. What was it like working on a genre hardcore action that's different than your signature rom-com and romantic drama? What was the most challenging and most rewarding part? And this is from Natalie Tomada ng Philippine Star.
Nakapag-warm up naman ako dati ni Derek Lester sa Lalo na Sangre. Diba, nakasubok na ng konting action doon. And yeah, siyempre, it's very different. Pero iba rin to. Ito kasing action talaga yung simula yung araw mo, adrenaline rush na yun hanggang gabi. So, pagkadating mo sa hotel mo, very fulfilling din. Diba? Kasi may mga stats din na hindi matadali. Pero pag nagawa namin yun, it's very fulfilling. So yeah, it's very different. Siyempre, kahit ko parang it's still very new for me. Pero, masaya. Parang matagal-tagal ko rin gagawin ito.
That's pretty good answer kasi ngayon nakikita din yung versatility. I remember working with Daniel in Lalo na Sangre, but this one, Incognito, is a different level. So, good job, good job.
Thank you very much. And now let's go to our next question for Richard Gutierrez. Hi, Richard. Okay, this is about the Iron Heart naman. Okay, so this